Alright guys, we're here because it's really important that you protect the money that you just spent on your quad and pay real careful attention to the shipping label that's attached. Basically, this quad looks like it's perfect, okay? It's brand new, we just got it, they just dropped it off, but there's a procedure that you have to follow when you get a new quad. Okay, now if you read the label here, it'll say don't sign the receipt unless you've unboxed it and uncrated it, and check for hidden damage. Okay, hidden damage is what occurs every single time these truckers try and save money and stack something that's thousands of pounds on top of the ATV. 90% of the damage occurs to the front of the vehicle. It's either the front plastic or the radiator. I want to go over some things real quick. You see this cardboard tube and the other cardboard tube and this other cardboard support? If these are any way smushed or even slightly sticking out the bottom of the box, there's going to be a problem with your ATV. Something's been crushed. Alright, so Mike here is going to take the box off and he's going to begin inspection of the ATV. Alright, the number one problem we see is the radiators get smushed, and you see this little tab right here? That tab is broken because they put too much weight or they put something on top of it. Now we're looking at the radiator here. It looks okay, but you want to inspect all of the plastic and make sure there's not a problem. But the minimum inspection you can do is these tabs, because if there's any weight that's crushed down on it, it will break the body. And lift up on it. Don't just look, lift up on it. Okay, now we're going to look at this side. We're going to look for damage to the metal. The forks will come in here. That's right. And it will damage the ATV. Sometimes when they hit them from the side, they slam these front bumpers into the ATV, and it'll cause scratching and damage to the cases. So basically, that's your first look how to inspect. I come around back here too. You see the plastic tabs? You see this plastic? You want to take the seat off and inspect inside the seat. Let's see if this plastic's broken here, that plastic, or these screws are out, or any of this plastic is broken. You have to do that check, a visual check, and down here on the engine. Once you do a complete visual inspection, and we look over here, we look under here, we make sure everything is good. It's not too difficult to put everything back together, or if you're just taking it, just take these parts and everything else and put it in your truck. Some of the things you're going to see when you get your ATV is that right here, it's all your registration papers. It has your VIN number. You can stick this in the back of your owner's manual. This is all your safety paperwork information that you have to submit. Even if this is a drop ship, you still have to send it to DRR. Okay?